Hi, I'm Paul from EcoTalk. I'm at the Newport Wetlands RSP Reserve with Stefan here, who's the Membership Development Officer, right Stefan?
That's correct.
Great. Thank you for hosting us today. It's an incredible landscape behind us, isn't it? I've never seen anything quite like this reed bed. Is this all natural?
It's most of it is man-made.
Okay.
So that was wasteland of the power station, the reserve. So it was just fly ash, and
Wow.
no one would come here. And it was all man-made with the lagoons, with the reed beds, and is now, it has transformed completely over the last 20 years.